Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I want to show you two super simple, flavorful, and kid-friendly chicken recipes. You'll be in and out of the kitchen in no time at all, and you're gonna love it. Let me show you how to make them and let's get started. First recipe is an amazing breaded baked chicken that's gonna be so moist and so good, and it requires no more than 2 ingredients. The first one is gonna be some breadcrumbs, and I'm using Japanese style breadcrumbs. I like using them. I start with adding half a package to a shallow plate. I'm gonna season the breadcrumbs well with salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm gonna mix. And for your convenience, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Breadcrumbs are seasoned well and ready to go. The second ingredient will be yellow mustard, and that might be a surprising ingredient, but trust me, it's gonna add some moisture to the chicken while it bakes. It's gonna be so crunchy. Plus, it's gonna be much healthier. We're not frying here, we're gonna bake the chicken. My workstation is ready. All I have to do is to cut up the chicken into thinner strips or thinner slices. This is about right. Dip in the mustard, and then you're gonna dip them in the panko crumbs, just like so. The mustard is gonna add moisture to the chicken. It's not gonna dry out while baking, and it's gonna be very mild in flavor. So don't worry about the harsh flavor using mustard. Besides, it's a much healthier option you can offer to your family. They're gonna love it and they're gonna ask for it over and over. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Don't forget to line your pan with non-stick foil paper or parchment paper so that nothing would stick. You're gonna finish the whole amount, and then you're gonna drizzle with some vegetable oil, just a little bit, not too much. And the chicken is ready for the oven. You're gonna bake at 400 degrees for 30 or 25 minutes depending on the temperature of your oven. It should turn crispy and golden, and it's gonna be still so moist on the inside. I serve with my favorite homemade mayo chipotle sauce. Let me know in the comments box below if you want me to share this sauce recipe with you. Finished with the first easy healthy recipe. The next recipe is gonna be a chicken nugget recipe that's so easy to make. And I'm gonna start with 1 pound of lean ground chicken. I add salt and black pepper and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I mix. You can absolutely use ground chicken thighs for this recipe for more flavor. I'm gonna set aside and I'm gonna work on the wet batter. I'm gonna need 1.5 cups of flour. To that, I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, cayenne, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm gonna list all the amounts and ingredients in the description box below as well. I'm gonna add some sparkling water. I'm using Topo Chico. I'm gonna add about half a bottle. You want the consistency to look something like this. And here in a separate bowl, I have some plain flour, just plain flour. And the workstation is ready. I use a cookie scoop for easy handling. Shape into a bowl. Cover it with the flour. Take the excess off. You're gonna flatten the chicken patties a little bit. We're gonna set it aside, finish the whole amount, and then you're gonna preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use vegetable oil or canola oil for frying. When the temperature gets to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're gonna get the patties and dip them in the wet mixture and fry them right away. I'm gonna test the first piece and check the doneness inside. Dip in the wet batter and then in the hot oil and make sure they become crispy and golden. Place on a paper towel after frying. After frying these to golden crispy perfection, I'm gonna serve them with a nice sauce that I made earlier, or you can serve them with a honey mustard sauce. Let me know if you'd like to see more sauces in the future, and I hope you try these amazing, easy, crunchy recipes. And until next time, bon appétit!